Welcome back to our tutorial series on using Microsoft PowerPoint. Today, we'll be exploring how to create and format shapes in PowerPoint. Shapes can be used for a variety of purposes, including as text boxes, decorative elements, and even complex diagrams. Let's dive in. To start, let's insert a shape. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, and click on Shapes. You'll see a drop-down menu with a variety of shapes to choose from, including rectangles, circles, arrows, stars, and more. Select the shape you want to use and click to insert it onto your slide. Shapes can be used as text boxes. Simply click inside the shape and start typing. This is a great way to create visually appealing text elements that can enhance your slide design. Once you've inserted a shape, you can modify it in various ways. Any shape can be customized and edited to create a completely new shape, but we'll cover that at the end of this video. Now, let's explore the Shape Format menu. Select your shape, and you'll see the Shape Format tab appear in the ribbon. Starting with the Fill option, you can change the color of your shape. Click on Shape Fill to choose from solid colors, gradients, textures, and even pictures. This allows you to customize the interior of the shape to match your design needs. Next, we have Outline. This option allows you to change the color, weight, thickness, and style, such as dashed or solid, of the shape's border. Click on Shape Outline to explore these options. The Effects option offers a variety of effects to enhance your shape, such as shadows, reflections, glows, soft edges, bevels, and 3D rotations. These effects can add depth and dimension to your shapes, making them stand out on your slides. Moving on to the Arrange section, you can control the layering of objects on your slide. Use the Bring Forward and Send Backward options to move shapes in front of or behind other elements. This feature is also available for images and other objects on your slide. The Align option helps you precisely position your shapes. You can align multiple shapes to the left, right, center, top, or bottom of the slide, or distribute them evenly. The Rotate option allows you to rotate shapes to any angle, flip them horizontally or vertically, and more. If your slide becomes too complicated with multiple objects, the Selection pane can be very useful. Click on Selection pane in the Arrange section to open it. The Selection pane lists all the objects on your slide, allowing you to select, rename, show, or hide each object. This makes it easier to manage and organize complex slides. Now, let's return to editing shapes. To modify a shape, right-click on it and select Edit Points. This will allow you to see vertices and change the shape's outline by dragging these points. To add a new vertex, right-click and select Add Point. You can also change a point's Bezier type, which adjusts the curvature of the lines connecting the points, giving you precise control over the shape. To do this, left-click a vertex point and you will see its Bezier handles appear. You can move these with a left-click and drag. Each vertex point can have different settings for its Bezier handles from smooth, straight, or corner. Right-click a point to change type. These affect how the Bezier handles interact with each other. Smooth vertex points mean both Bezier handles will move with each other to keep the corner angle smooth. Whereas corner vertex will allow each Bezier handle to move independently from one another. Finally, let's add some shape effects to make our object 3D. In the Shape Format tab, go to Effects, and select 3D Format. Use the Bevel tool to add a 3D bevel to your shape, making it look more dimensional. You can adjust the depth, contour, and lighting to create the perfect 3D effect. That's it for this tutorial on creating and formatting shapes in PowerPoint. We've covered how to insert and use shapes as text boxes, explored the Shape Format menu, discussed arranging and aligning shapes, and looked at the Selection pane for managing complex slides. We also touched on editing shapes and adding 3D effects. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next tutorial.